Thank you for joining me for this Milnor tech tip. Today we're going to take a look at programming the V1000 inverter. Press the down arrow twice until you get to the parameter menu. Note that programming constants are specific for each model of machine. Be sure to use the appropriate constants for your machine and be sure to check voltages as well. We don't want to program a 480 volt inverter with 240 volt constants. Press the enter key to get into the parameter menu. Press the enter key to scroll to the right. Once you're on A101, press the enter key. You will now be able to enter in a new parameter. This parameter is correct, so I'll press enter and I'll move to my next value. Use the up arrow to move up to A102. Note, when programming A103 to 2220, this will reset the inverter to the default constants. If you are merely checking parameters, do not set A103 to 2220. You'll have to start all over from scratch and reprogram the inverter. Since I am programming A103, once I click the enter key, my first digit to the left will be flashing. I'll set the value I want for this. I'll press the reset button to move one digit to the right. Set my value. Press the reset button again to move one digit to the right. Set my value. Now that I have the correct value in place, I can press the enter key. Now that I'm done with my A constants, I'm going to move on to my B constants. I'll press the escape key until the A flashes, then I'll scroll up one to the B constants. I'll press enter until I get to B101, then I'll press enter to edit the parameter. So I press reset to move over a digit, change my value, press enter, move up to B102, set my value, press enter, and I'll continue on through B103. Let's take a brief second to note programming order. We need to program the E constants before programming the D constants. The E constants set the appropriate ranges for the D constants. If you do not program E before D, you may receive an error during programming. So now you know how to program your inverter. So I'll finish up programming this inverter, and that's it.